So let's sew our side seam. One of the most important parts to call out real quick, I just want to show you all, is we want a strong back stitch in the beginning of our stitch, and we also want a strong back stitch in the end of our stitch. And then we're going to want to position the open ends of the zipper next to each other, and you can throw a back stitch on there too if you want. It's not the biggest stress point on the bag because we have the zipper stoppers here, but sometimes people like to do that. So let's go to the machine. Now I'm sewing with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, which we've already figured out since we have our chalk line here. And one of the cool things about sewing with the chalk line is you can really follow that line instead of having to follow the measurements on the faceplate of the machine. Now remember, the last stitches that we sewed were the zipper stitches where our needle was offset to the left. We do not want an offset needle for this, so make sure you set up your positions of your machine correctly for this stitch. So I just went ahead and centered my needle so I could stitch.